Today I'm going to show you how you can send an audio message or a voice message. They're basically the same thing on your iPhone. So first thing we want to go ahead and do is open up our Messenger app here. And then you want to make sure that you are, toggled in to be able to, type something down here. And you should see this little plus icon on the left side over here. Now, if you select this, you're going to get a long menu of different options that you can do. That you can send within text messages now. But the one that you want to find is the one that says audio. Now mine's the second one there because I placed it there. However, you might have to scroll down to find it. Once we select audio though, it should automatically start recording. If it doesn't automatically start recording, then there should just be like a little record icon that shows up, and then you can go ahead and select that and it will start to record. Once you are done with your audio message, you can go ahead and hit stop. And then before you send it through, you can always go ahead and play that little play button right there to play it back. But let's say you also remember that you wanted to add something to your audio message. Well, it's as simple as selecting that little plus icon right there, and it will pick back up exactly where you left off, and you can add to your voice message. So if I go ahead and hit stop there and I feel fully satisfied, I'm ready to send this, I would go ahead and just select that little up icon there. Now this is going to show me that it's not delivered because this is obviously being sent to a fake individual here. But what you would want to do is you can go ahead and play back your message. Automatically start recording. And something important is once you play it back, if you want to make sure that you keep that audio message without it disappearing, you're going to get this little notification right down here where right now it says not delivered. You're going to get a notification that will say something along the lines of like it'll be deleted within a certain amount of time, and it's usually around like a minute to 5 minutes. So if you want to keep it, you should select this little icon that pops up that will say keep, and you just tap it, and then it will actually keep it in your text thread here for you. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.